Welcome all of you in online classes, BSc first year mathematics subject. Today discussed about plane section of the sphere article which belong in the geometry chapters. So first article considered plane section of the sphere, means if any sphere is cutting by any plane, then what will be happen, you saw that. So after then you so that taken a circle whose equation is complete, means write both equations of sphere and plane. So after plane sections to the sphere, you can represent a circle whose equations is denoted by given sphere and the given plane equation. So here consider article plane section of the sphere. For this, please draw a sphere. Suppose that this is a sphere, s is equal to 0 is the denotation, and take a plane and cutting to this sphere. So is represented by plane. Suppose that plane is Lx, My, Nz plus d is equal to 0. So if eliminate to this lower part, you can see that this is the circle. Okay, so circle equation, write Lx, My, Nz plus 0 and given equation of the sphere. You know that if this area is a circle, then must be lies a center and radius of the circle. So here you can calculate the radius and the center of the circle by applying to the some methods of numerically. So here suppose that C is the center of the sphere. For if we draw perpendicular line on the plane section, okay, then plane section, suppose that this is center, here C is the center of the sphere. So draw perpendicular line on this plane. Okay, so intersecting is a point, and that point is called center of the circle, is denoted by capital A. And here meeting C2 cutting point and is denoted by capital B. Here CB is the radius of the sphere, you know that, because this is circumference of the sphere and C is the center of the sphere. So meeting point C and B. So BC is the radius of the sphere. So in this question, in this figure, here CA is a perpendicular line from the center on the given plane section, and meeting point is a point, that point is denoted by capital A. So capital A is the center of the circle, and BC is a radius of the sphere, and third line is AB. Third line is called radius of the circle. Okay, because here this is surrounding area, is circumference of the circle, and here B on the circumference, and A is the center of the circle. So by definition of the circle of the radius, AB is the radius of the circle. Okay, so and in this figure, triangle ABC or right angle triangle where point A has 90 degree and BC and AC as hypothesis and base and height of the right angle triangle. So you know that, and it's confirmed that if any sphere is cutting by a plane, then result will be a circle whose equation, write both equations Lx, My, Nz plus d, means equation of plane and equation of sphere, and you can very easily calculate the center coordinate of the circle and radius of the circle, means radius is AB and C is the A is the center of the circle. So here consider a sphere. Consider the sphere equation is, write the equation of the sphere in the general form: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is represented by first. Is also denoted by capital S. So it is implied that here capital S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is the equation of sphere which is represented by capital S is equal to 0. This is sphere. And also taken an equation of the plane, and the equation of the plane. Here suppose that equation of the plane is Lx plus My plus Nz plus d is equal to 0 is represented by second equation. So in this figure, draw a perpendicular line from the center, from the equation first, center coordinate of the sphere are minus v and minus w. Okay, the center coordinates of the sphere. Draw a perpendicular line from the center of the sphere, means from the C on the plane section and meeting at the point capital A. So capital A is a center of the circle, and after intersection of the plane and sphere represent to a circle, From the figure it's clear that capital A is the center of the circle and distance AB is the radius of the circle. So a circle whose center is capital A means intersection of perpendicular line from capital C. From capital C means center of the sphere to the plane second. So it's clear that meeting point capital A is center of the circle, and for center of the circle draw a perpendicular line from the center of the sphere capital C to the given plane means plane second, and distance AB is called radius of the circle. Okay, so AB is the radius of the circle and capital A is the center of the circle which formed by the intersection of the plane second and sphere first. Here the value of distance AB means radius of the circle taken this right angle triangle, and by applying the Pythagoras theorem, and you can find to the values of AC, BC. BC is the radius of the sphere, so you already calculated from the equation first, and length AC and AB. AB is the radius of the circle. So with help of the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle, calculate the radius of the circle AB. Okay, and CA is the center of the circle. So this article is complete. After this, taken second article. Second article is intersection of two spheres. Intersection of two spheres. Suppose that two spheres, sphere first is denoted by capital S1 and sphere second is denoted by capital S2 and intersecting, suppose is intersecting. So this is plane, sphere first, sphere second, and intersection is a plane. So if you taken two spheres and consider intersection of them, then notice that the intersection will be a plane equation, a plane, and here by theoretically you can calculate the plane equation, intersecting plane. So write here first sphere, consider two spheres, first is denoted by S1. S1 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0. So is general equation of the sphere. Here S1, so u1, v1 and w1 and d1 which are constant. So is first equation of the sphere, means S1 is equal to 0. And same as second sphere is denoted by S2. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2 x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0 is represented by first equation and second equation. Here consider to the spheres, first denoted by S1 is equal to 0 and second is S2 is equal to 0. From the figure, if intersecting to this sphere, then represent a plane, and what will be the equation of the plane and intersecting plane equation. For this, required plane equation is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. So intersecting of sphere first and second, required plane equation is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Putting the values of S1 and S2 from equation first and second, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 minus of second x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Here putting the values of S1 and S2 from the equation first and second, and after simplification cancels x square y square z square. So it is implies that 2 times u1 minus u2 yes, plus 2 times v1 minus v2 y plus 2 times w1 minus w2 z plus d1 minus d2 is equal to 0. You know that about the equation of plane. If any equation in power first and 3 variables x, y, z, then is represented to the equation of plane. So this equation always represented to the equation of plane, is represented by equation second. So equation third represent to the equation of plane, which formed by the intersection of two given spheres first and second. So here first write to the equation of given spheres first and second is denoted by equation first and second, and for point to the intersecting plane, this is intersecting plane. For point to the equation of intersecting plane, write an equation S1 minus S2 is equal to 0, and after this putting the all values of S1 and S2 means sphere first and second from the equation first and second. So So here simplification, x square cancels x square, y square, z square, and z square. Same process will be taken others for x, y, z and constant d1 and d2. So after simplification, this is equation third, means 2 times u1 minus u2, x 2 times v1 minus v2 times y, and 2 times w1 minus w2 times z, plus d1 minus d2 is equal to 0, is always represented to the A plane. So here putting the values of u1 u2 and v1 v2 and w1 minus w2 d1 d2 in the given sphere equation, you can calculate the conformal plane equation, which is represented by equation third. After these two articles, I want to consider some questions which are related on these articles. So please write questions which are related on these articles, plane section of the sphere and intersection of two planes which are already represented to a plane, means plane equation third. So please write to the some questions. First question is, and the question first, find the equation of sphere through the circle x square y square plus z square is equal to 9, 2x plus 3y, 4z is equal to 5. You know that by intersecting to the sphere, and the plane represent a circle. So circle equation all time write two equations. First equation is sphere equation and second equation is plane equation. And also given that an extra condition, this sphere must be passing through the point 1, 2, 3. So applying to this condition, after first calculate to the equation of sphere which passing to the given circle, means first and second equation. So if you want to write an equation which passing through the given some equation, so please write to combination of these two equations by taking a constant. Suppose that constant is capital K. So in the solution, given equation of the circle are x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, and 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 5. This is equation of the circle. So please write in the systematic form, and it is write as x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 is equal to 0, is represented by sphere first, and plane is 2x plus plane here denoted by capital P. So 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is capital P is the equation second. Total equation represented by first equation. So second is plane equation and first is sphere. You know that if intersecting to the sphere by plane, then represent a circle. So this is equation of the circle. But in the question, find the equation of sphere which passing to this circle. So please write the equation of sphere by these two equations. So write here combination of these two equations. Then equation of the sphere which passing through given circle is combination of these two equations. So is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus k times, here k is a constant. So k times plane equation means 2x plus 3y plus 4z 4z. Okay, here 4z 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 minus 5 is equal to 0. It is also denoted as s plus kp is equal to 0, is represented by equation second. So equation second is the combined equation of the given sphere and plane equation. This equation after simplification, you know that is represented to a sphere equation. So here please simplify to this equation: x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus 2kx plus 3ky plus 4kz minus 5k. 4kz minus 5k is equal to 0. Here minus 9 and minus 5k are numerical values. So please first write to higher power of the variable x, y and z. So x square, y square and z square. After then first power of the variables x, y and z means 2kx plus 3ky plus 4kz means systematic form of the general equation of the sphere. You know that in the article first. So x square, y square, z square plus 2kx plus 3ky plus 4kz. Okay, and after then numerical value is minus 5. So write in the bracket minus 5k and minus 9 and minus 9 is equal to 0, is represented by equation third. So equation third is confirm that equation of the sphere, and after comparing with the general equation of the sphere, x square is square, z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, you can calculate the radius and center of this sphere. So here it is not necessary that calculate the radius and center of the sphere which passing to this circle, but first calculate the equation of the sphere which passing to this circle. Here equation third is equation of the sphere which passing to the circle, given circle x square, y square, z square is equal to 9, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5. But according by question, this sphere must be passing to a point, given point whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3. So by rules of mathematics, putting the values of x, y, z means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3 in this equation, means equation third, because equation third is passing to this point. So by question, according question, sphere third passing through given point whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, putting x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3, because sphere third is passing through the given point 1, 2, 3. So here in the equation third, so x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 square, y is equal to 2 square and z is equal to 3 square plus 2k, x is equal to 1 into 1 plus 3k, y is equal to 2, so into 2 plus 4k 4k into z, z is equal to 3, so here putting 3, and plus minus 5k minus 9 is equal to 0. In equation third, putting the all values of small x, y and z. After this, simplify to this equation and find to the values of unknown, means capital K. So 1 is equal to 1 and 4 and 9 plus 2k plus 6k plus 12k minus 5k minus 9, minus 5k minus 9 is equal to 0. Here in first bracket taken all unknown values k, 2k, 6k, 12k minus 5k, and second bracket taken numerical values 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus 9. Here you can cancel 2 plus 9 and minus 9. So in the first bracket write 2k, 6k and 12k, means 2 plus 6, 8, 8k plus 12k minus 5k, minus 5k in first bracket, and second all numerical values are 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 5. So plus 5 is equal to 0. Here 5k and 8k is equal to 3k. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So it is right that 3, 8 minus 5, 3 and 15k. 15k plus 5 is equal to 0. After simplification, k is equal to minus 3. K is equal to 5 by 15. So cancels from each other, minus 1 by 3. It is implied that k is equal to minus 1 by 3. Here in after the putting the other values of x, y, z from the given points coordinates, you can calculate the value of k. So in this question the value of k is equal to minus 1 by 3. After this, putting the value of k in the equation third. So here k is equal to 1 by third, k is equal to 1 by third, k is equal to 1 by third, k is equal to 1 by third. For this is better than putting the value of k in equation second, means s plus kp. So here putting the value of k is equal to minus 1 by third. So here two important points. If putting the value of k 1 by 3 in the equation second, then calculation will be very simple. And if putting the value of k is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation third, then calculation will be complicated. Therefore, putting the value of k is equal to 1 by 3 in equation second and find to the spare equation. So putting k is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation second. Here write equation second. Equation second is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 in first bracket plus k times. Second bracket is given plane equation 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 0. But k is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3. So it is implied that k is equal to minus 1 by 3. It is implied that x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus minus 1 by 3 in bracket first times 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. You note that equation of any sphere, in equation of any sphere, the coefficient of x square, y square, z square should be unit, means 1. Therefore, here LCM multiplied to this, okay, and taken by 3. So 3 times x square and plus y square. Here right in the confirm directly x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 minus 2 by 3 x and minus y minus 4 by 3z and minus plus 5 by 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, the coefficient of x square, y square, z square is unit, because any sphere general form equation is in this form. So please minus 1 by 3rd multiply to this bracket and write in the general form of the sphere. So systematic form is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 by 3 x minus y minus 4 by 3 z plus 5 by 3 and minus 9 after simplification is equal to 5 by 3 minus 9 and 5 minus 27 by 3 and after simplification is equal to 22 minus 22 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so it's complete solution of the equation of the question first. This is equation of the sphere x square, y square, z square minus 2 by 3x minus y minus 4 by 3z minus 2 by 2 means 22 by 3 is equal to 0. So please revise again to the question first. In this question, calculate to the equation of sphere which passing through the given circle. This is circle equation, and also given that required equation of the sphere passing through this point whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3. For this, write first equation of the circle and here given the equation of the circle. After then, write to the equation of the sphere which passing through this circle. Combine to these two equations, sphere and plane equation. Is S means sphere, so sphere is denoted by this and P is denoted by intersecting plane. Combine to these two equations S and P. So x square, y square, z square minus 9 plus k times 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Here k is a unknown value of known number, so it is also right in the form s plus kp is equal to 0, where s is sphere and p is given intersecting plane. Simplify to this equation and reach at the point third, means at equation third. In the equation third is the general form of the sphere, so it is confirmed that the equation which passing through the given circle is a sphere whose equation is represented by equation third. But according by question, required sphere must be passing through the point, given point whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3. Therefore, for applying to this condition, you can putting the values of x, y and z. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3 in the equation third. So putting these values of x, y and z in this equation third, and after simplification find to the value of unknown number k which is equal to minus 1 by 3. After this, putting the value of k is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation second or third, you can put second or third any one equation. So putting k is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and simplify to this equation is confirm equation of the sphere is x square, y square, z square minus 2 by 3x minus y minus 4 by 3z minus 22 by 3 is equal to 0. This, after comparing the general equation of the sphere, you can calculate the radius and center of this sphere. So please take another question and write second question. In next question, find the equation of sphere which pass through the circle x square y square z square is equal to 5, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3, and is required sphere also touch to the given plane 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So in this question, find to the equation of sphere which passing through the given equation of the circle, and also given that required sphere must be touching to the given plane. Here plane is 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. You know that if any sphere touch to the any plane, then perpendicular length from the center to the given plane must be equal to radius of the sphere. Okay. So here you can apply to the this required condition for finding to the constant capital K, number K, which taken in the constant as. So first write to the equation of sphere which passing to the given circle equation, same as the previous question. So first write to the equation of sphere. In the solution, given equation of the circle, is x square. Here first is equation of the sphere. You know that by intersecting to the equation of plane with the sphere represent a circle. So here equation of the sphere is x square y square z square is equal to 5. So s is the denotation of the equation of sphere, x square y square and z square minus 5 is equal to 0. And intersecting plane equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3. So it is denoted by capital P, plane equation. X plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. Total means S and P is denoted by first equation. So according by question, equation first represented to the equation of the sphere, equation of the circle by intersecting to the sphere by the plane x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is represented to the equation of the circle. According by question, find the equation of sphere which passing to this circle, means passing to these two equations. So if you want to write an equation which passing to two given equations, then write to combined form of given two equations. So applying to this method for finding to the sphere, required sphere, then equation of the required sphere is s plus k times p is equal to 0. Here s means sphere equation and p means intersecting plane equation. So putting the value of s and p from above equations is right in the conform x square plus y plus z square minus 5 in first bracket plus k times the value of p means equation of intersecting plane is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0, is denoted by equation second, and after simplify to this represented as x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 plus k times x plus 2k y plus 3k z minus 3k is equal to 0. Here first write to higher power of the variables x, y, z, and after then lower power, and after then numerical values means power 0. So here x square y square z square, it is represented to x square plus y square plus z square plus kx plus 2ky plus 3kz plus in bracket minus 3k minus 5 is equal to 0 is represented by equation third. So equation third is in the general form of the sphere equation. After comparing with general form of the sphere, you can call that the equation third is represented to the equation of sphere. X square y square z square, here write y square, z square plus kx plus 2ky plus 3kz plus numerical values minus 3 plus minus 3k minus 5 is equal to 0 is third equation. Third equation is required sphere equation. But here problem is the value of k. Okay, k is the unknown number. So for finding to the value of k, applying to the next condition here in the question. Next condition is required sphere must be touching to the a given plane. 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. So here suppose that sphere third is denoted by S3 or S1, here S dash. So here draw a figure of the sphere S dash is equal to 0 is required sphere S dash. Suppose that C is a center and is plane given plane which enters touching to the sphere at point capital P. Here touching point is capital P. Is plane given plane is 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. So write here minus 15 is equal to 0. This plane equation write in the general form 4x plus 3y plus 0z minus 15 is equal to 0. According by question, sphere S dash means sphere third means required sphere touching to the given plane equation 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Suppose that touching point is capital P, then by theoretical if draw a perpendicular line from center to the touching point capital P, then CP, distance CP is the radius of the sphere, is represented to radius of S dash. Okay. So from figure, if you want to find to the value of k, unknown k, then first calculate the radius of the sphere third and after then distance CP, perpendicular distance from the center to the given plane. So comparing to this, comparing equation third with general equation of sphere, equation of the sphere. General equation of the sphere is ax square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. A general equation of the sphere is represented by equation fourth. So here for finding to the radius of the sphere third and center and perpendicular length and the center of the sphere third, please comparing to equation third with the general equation of the sphere x square y square z square 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So here it is represented that u is equal to the coefficient of x in equation third is k. So 2k is equal to k. So k is u is equal to k by 2 and v 2v the coefficient of y and equation third coefficient of y is equal to 2k. So 2 and 2 cancels and v is equal to k and w the coefficient of z in equation 4 and third is 3k. So 2w is equal to 3k, means w is equal to 3 by 2k, 3 by 2k, 3 by 2k, 3 by 2k, and d, the value of d constant is equal to minus 3k, minus 3k, minus 5, minus 3k minus 5. So coordinates of the sphere third means s dash, center is then center coordinate, center of s dash, minus u minus b minus w is equal to minus k by 2, minus k, and minus 3 by 2 k. The coordinate of center, suppose that is capital C, so capital C, coordinate of the center, minus k by 2 and minus k minus 3 by 2k, the center coordinate of the sphere, the quad sphere s dash. Now calculate the radius of the sphere, means Cp. Cp is the radius of the sphere. So here write there radius of the sphere s dash is equal to 0, means required sphere. Formula is under root capital R is equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So here putting the all values of u, v, w and d. U is equal to k, so k square by 4 under root of k square by 4, and v is equal to k, so k square, and w is equal to 3 by 2, so 9 by 4, 9 by 4 k square minus here d is equal to minus times 3k plus 5, so minus taken from the bracket and minus minus plus, so d is equal to 3k plus 5, 3k plus 5, right, plus. After simplification, here 4 taken LCM, so out of the under root is equal to 1 by 2 and is equal to k square plus 4k square plus 9k square, and this 12k and plus 20 is equal to 1 by 2 under root k 9 and 5 and 15k square and 9 1 plus 10 and 14k square plus 12k plus 20, 14k square plus 12k plus 20 is the value of radius represented by equation 4. So in the equation 4, it's clear value of radius of the sphere s dash, sphere s dash whose radius is capital R is equal to 1 by 2 times under root of 14k square plus 12k plus 20. But according to my question and by theoretical, it know that if draw a perpendicular line from the center to the touching plane, then must be equal to radius of the sphere. So first calculate the value of Cp. Here from the figure, Cp is not radius, but Cp is equal to the radius. Okay. Here Cp is the perpendicular length from the center to the given touching plane. So find to the value of Cp and perpendicular length Cp is Cp is equal to perpendicular length from the center. Here center is minus k by 2 minus k minus 3 by 2 to the touching plane is 4x plus 3y plus 0z minus 15. So 4 into minus 1 by 2 means k by 2, putting x is equal to minus k by 2 and y 3 to minus 3k, so minus 3k, and the coefficient of z is equal to minus 3 by 2, 0 times 3 by 2 is equal to 0, so neglecting here the coefficient of z, write minus 15 is divided by under root of coefficient of x, y and z. X is equal to 4 means 16 and coefficient of y is equal to 3 means 9 and coefficient of z is equal to 0 means 0 whole square 0. So after simplification is equal to minus 2k minus 3k minus 15 divided by under root 25. Here minus 2k minus 3k minus 15 is equal to 20, 3 to 5 and minus 15 20, minus 20, so minus 20k by 5 is equal to minus 4k. You know that your numerically value it is implied to length Cp is equal to plus 4k because because Cp is the length, perpendicular length, so in numerical form taken in the positive sign, so Cp is equal to plus 4k. From the here it is clear that Cp is equal to radius r because Cp is also radius of the sphere s dash. So from figure Cp is equal to radius capital R. Okay. Putting the value of R and Cp from above equations, from equation Cp is equal to 4k and R from the equation 4th, which is equal to 1 by 2 times under root of 14k square 12k plus 20. So here minus 4k is equal to 1 by 2 under root of 14k square plus 12k plus 20, taken square root, taken squaring both sides, so is equal to 16k square 1 by 4 in bracket 14k square plus 12k plus 20. Here to taken from the bracket, so cancels is equal to 2 and 32k square to cancel and 32k square 7k square plus 6k plus 10. After simplification is equal to 25k square, 32 minus 7 is equal to 25 and minus 6k minus 10 is equal to 0. After factorization of this equation is represented by equation 4th, you can find to the value of unknown number capital K and which is equal to after factorization of the equation 5th, the value of k is equal to 2 and 4 by 5. So putting these two values of unknown number capital K here, you can find to the two spheres whose equations are putting k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 4 by 5 in equation second, then equations of required spheres are. Here first putting the value of k is equal to 2 in equation second. Equation second is given plane equation x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 times plus k times intersecting plane is x plus 2y plus 3z, x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0 is equation second. In the equation second, putting the value of k, then you can complete to the equations of sphere. So here first sphere is x square y square z square minus 5 and k is equal to 2 plus 2 times x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. After simplification, write the general equation of sphere, required sphere, x square y square z square minus 5 plus 2x plus 2y, 2 means 4y plus 6z minus 6 is equal to 0. Here minus 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 11. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y plus 6z minus 11 is equal to 0 is first sphere equation, required sphere. Suppose that is first. And second, after putting k is equal to 4 by 5 in equation second, and second required sphere is by putting k is equal to 4 by 5 in equation second. So for the find the value of k, find the sphere, second required sphere, k putting 4 by 5 in the equation second. So then x square plus y square plus z square plus k times x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0 is equation second. In this putting k is equal to 4 by 5, so write in the simple form of the sphere equation, and z square plus 4 by 5 here is minus 5 plus, so minus 5 plus k is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. After simplification is write in the form x square y square z square minus 5 plus 4 by 5x plus 8 by 5x y and 12 by 5z minus 12 by 5 and minus 5 is equal to 0. Here simplify to this, minus 25 minus 12 is equal to minus 12 minus 25 is equal to 7 and 3 minus 37. So sphere, second sphere is x square y square z square plus 4 by 5x plus 8 by 5 y plus 12 by 5 z minus 37 by 5 is equal to 0. Is required sphere. This is second required sphere. So in this question here calculate two required spheres which is represented by this equation, and second is this. For this, first calculate to the unknown value k which is present in the equation second. For this, applying to the required condition, here in this question required condition is required sphere touching to the given plane third. So if any sphere touching to the any plane, then perpendicular length from the center to the given plane must be equal to the radius of the sphere. So applying to this condition, and find an equation. Equation is Cp is equal to r. Here Cp is perpendicular length from the center to the touching sphere, and capital R is the radius of required sphere which is represented by s dash from the equation third. So here you can calculate the radius of the sphere s dash and also perpendicular length Cp, which draw from C to on the touching plane, which is equal to minus 4 times k. Here k is the unknown number. So applying to this rule, Cp is equal to r, putting all value of perpendicular length Cp and radius capital R. And after simplification, here reaching to the 25k square minus 6k minus 10 is equal to 0 is represented by equation fifth. So after factorization of the equation fifth, the values of k are 2 and 4 by 5. Here after putting k is equal to 2, required sphere equation this, and after putting k is equal to 4 by 5, required sphere is this. So in this question required two equations of sphere, first and second. It's complete solution of this equation. So thanks for watching my video.